Hello, Gene. I am creating a list of the top 5 buffoons of the Obama administration.
Why?
So the world will know what I know.
Okay. Give me an example if you will.
Certainly. Buffoon number 1 is none other than President Obama himself.
Really? Are you kidding me, Paul?
No. President Obama went on a trip to Saudi Arabia and met with the Saudi king.
Okay. So what?
Upon meeting him, the president bowed down to the Saudi king.
Really?
Yes. This created quite a stir in the United States. People wondered why the President of the United States would bow down to anybody.
Yes. I agree.
Then the White House said that the President did not bow down but simply bent over to shake hands with a much shorter person.
Okay. This sounds reasonable.
Yes, however. If this were the case, then this Saudi king would have to be about 2 feet tall. Also, there were reports that the President was simply tying his shoes or perhaps trying to clean the floor.
Okay. Enough. Let's move on. Can I have another example, Paul?
Of course, Gene.
Okay. Now let me have another example of a buffoon.
Okay, buffoon number 2 is our Vice President Joe Biden.
Okay. It figures. Why?
Let me tell you. The Vice President was giving a speech about the economy one time, and he said that the number 1 issue with the economy is jobs.
I would agree with that. But that does not make him a buffoon, though.
Of course not. But then he continued to try and clarify his point by declaring that jobs, that 3-letter word, is the issue. Jobs, jobs.
He said that jobs is a 3-letter word. I guess that we should be thankful that he is not an English teacher. I would hope that he never entered a spelling bee. Okay, who is buffoon number 3?
Number 3 is none other than Secretary of State Hillary Clinton.
Oh my. Why is that?
She said that she made a trip to Bosnia during the conflict over there. When her plane landed, she had to run from the plane to her vehicle transportation with her head down while dodging sniper bullets.
That sounds very ominous. But that does not make her a buffoon.
Correct, but then a video was shown on television that showed what really happened.
Really?
Yes. It showed her plane landing, and then she walked off the plane with her other trip members. They all had smiles and walked casually toward a group of smiling officials waiting to greet her.
That does not sound dangerous.
Of course not. They were all casually shaking hands and smiling.
Then what?
Then a young girl of about 8 or 9 appeared and presented Hillary with what appeared to be a white envelope. Then this young girl kissed Hillary on both cheeks and hugged her.
That is it. No sniper bullets.
Nope. Then they all continued walking casually toward their vehicle transportation and drove off.
I don't understand. If this were the case, why did she say she had to dodge sniper bullets?
I guess that she apparently misspoke.
Okay. What is next? Number 4?
Yes. Number 4 concerns then House Speaker, now ex-House Speaker Nancy Pelosi.
Okay, what did she do now?
In one of her speeches on the health care bill before it passed, she said that members of Congress would have to vote for it before everyone found out what was in the bill.
Vote for it before everyone knows what is in the bill?
Exactly.
But this sounds like buying a new car and finalizing the sale by signing purchase agreements before knowing the price of the car.
Correct. Now you are getting smart.
Thank you. Okay. I guess only one is left. Buffoon number 5. Give it to me.
Okay, buffoon number 5 is none other than Senator Harry Reid.
Oh my. What did he do now?
Well, he gives speeches.
Well, he should. He is the top senator in Congress on the Democratic side.
Yes, but listening to his speeches is like bringing a television on your honeymoon.
You say that listening to his speeches is like bringing a television on your honeymoon.
Of course. Both are totally unnecessary.
Okay, I cannot take any more. Is that it?
Yes. But I might start working on buffoons number 6 through 10.
Why?
So I can continue to enlighten the American public.
Okay. Have a good night.
You too. See you again.
You too. Please let me know if you develop buffoons number 6 through 10. I would like to be enlightened some more, or I will develop numbers 6 through 10 myself.
Sounds good to me. I will let you know.